اللهم صل على محمد
Abu Muhammad Shia Uislamu bw'umwimerere.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Can anyone see the new moon yet?
I don't see anything.
Oh, look, there's a shooting star.
Wow! Make sure you all look really carefully because the new moon is tiny and can sometimes be very difficult to see. But don't worry, I'm sure we will see it very soon, insha'Allah.
I think I see something over there.
Oh, that's the Ramadan moon. Well, now we know for sure that Ramadan has begun.
Yay!
So exciting! Yeah, it sure is. There's just something about Ramadan that makes us feel so good inside.
Well, now that we have seen the moon, let's get an early night's sleep so we can wake up extra early for suhoor, insha'Allah.
That's a great idea, Zaki.
Assalamu alaikum and good morning, Zaki. Thanks for letting me stay the night. Jazakallahu khairan.
Wa alaikum assalam, Maui. Not a problem. Happy to have you here. Let's prepare something light for suhoor.
Even though I'm so tired, this looks so delicious and healthy.
That's just what we need to give us some energy for our first day of fasting. Let's eat before it's time for Fajr. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Wa
alaikum assalam,
Zaki.
Did you have a good sahur, Zaki?
Yes, alhamdulillah. We had some fruit, dates, and eggs. What about you? What did you have?
My mom made me a delicious sandwich.
Come on, guys. It's time to pray Fajr.
I'm very excited this Ramadan, Zaki. But sometimes it seems like all I think about is food.
I know you love food, Kazwa, but there are many things you can do during Ramadan apart from eating. It is a time to do as many good deeds as possible to get lots of extra rewards, insha'Allah.
Oh, okay, Zaki. Let's go read some Quran by the river.
Great idea, Kazwa. Did you know, Kazwa, that reading the Quran is one of the best things you can do while fasting? We should read as slow as possible and try to understand each word we read so we know what Allah is telling us.
Oh, yes. That makes sense.
Helping others is another great deed to do while fasting.
Assalamu alaikum, guys. Thanks so much for coming to help. My garden is such a mess.
Wa alaikum assalam, Nadine. We're happy to help.
MashaAllah! The garden looks amazing.
It really does. It was lots of fun too.
Do you guys have plans for iftar tonight?
I don't know.
Me neither.
That's perfect. You can have iftar at my place, inshallah.
Oh, yummy. What are you cooking, Nadine?
It's a surprise, Kazwa, but I'm sure you'll love it.
Oh, I can't wait.
Me too. Okay, Nadine. We'll see you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
It's my turn to sleep in it.
No, you slept there yesterday. No,
I want to sleep
I don't
on. No,
care.
you want to sleep.
Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Wa alaikum assalam, Zaki.
What are you two arguing about now?
Rashid slept on the hammock yesterday, so it should be my turn today.
I was just laying on it. I didn't sleep.
That's the same thing.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Calm down, guys. First thing is, you need to remember that you are fasting, which means you cannot lose your temper or get angry. And second thing is, you are brothers, and you should always be kind to one another. Do you both want lots of rewards during Ramadan?
We sure do, Zaki.
Well, did you know that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you should love for others to have the good things that you have? So if you know that your brother really wants to sleep on the hammock, then you should offer it to him.
Be my guest, Harun.
No, please, I insist.
It's okay. You can sleep on it.
I said no. It is for you now.
Here we go again.
Okay, guys, we have to go. Are you coming to Nadine's place for iftar tonight?
Yes, we'll be there, inshallah.
Okay, great. We'll see you there, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Assalamu alaikum, children. We all hope you have the best Ramadan and gain so much rewards from this great month. Try your best to do more good deeds than what you did last Ramadan. Remember, always be good to your parents and kind to others.
اللهم صل على محمد
Abu Muhammad Shia uwisilamu bw'umwimerere.
بسم الله الرحمن